Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Hawaii LED Screens. Here we are showing you the G Pro 2.6 series. For those who don't know, 2.6 mm is the distance between one LED to another. So this is the back side of our G Pro cabinet. It has a standard size of 500 mm to 500 mm, that is 0.5 meter to 0.5 meters. It comes with the corner locks. As you all know, in the event industries, the clients are asking for lower pixels in order to enhance the clarity of their comments. So Hawaii introduced the G Pro 2.6 mm pixel cabinets. Our G Pro 2.6 cabinets not only have straight cabinets, we have corner cabinets with one side 90 degrees and two side 90 degrees, and this is our curved cabinet. We do have a flexible cabinet in G Pro series. This is our curved G Pro cabinet. In this case, you don't have to worry about updating your inventory to all the curved cabinet in order to get this facility. You can have G Pro curved cabinets and G Pro straight cabinet, as you can lock them together. So you can lock a G Pro curve with a G Pro straight. This is G Flex cabinet. It is the flexible version of G Pro. In this case, you can create an angle of 45-degree curve with one cabinet. So which means you can create a full round 360 degree with 8 cabinets. So just like in the G Pro curve cabinet, you can lock a G Flex with a G Pro straight cabinet. So in G Pro corner, we have one side 90-degree cabinets, we have two side 90-degree cabinets. So these cabinets are used to create 3D shapes. G Pro 2.6 cabinets has a high refresh rate of 7680 Hz. It has a brightness of 900 nits, and it comes with all the common features of Hawaii cabinets like plug and play hubs, corner locks, EC locks, and etc. Hawaii has more pixels to our G Pro series. We have more series like GLaDOS, G-Max. G-Max is world's first exact 2-feet cabinet. So contact us to know more details. Thank you.